Here we have a Massimo 2025 T-Boss 550. No start situation currently. Go through real quick. As to what's going on here. I'll try the check engine light. Key on off 3 times, whatever it is, see if there's a code that it'll throw. No flashing engine light. You can hear something clicking. Try and show the voltage. Yeah, of course the reflection's gonna make it impossible to see here. Okay, you can see 13 volts, ambient air temperatures 75, or the engine oil 75. Alright, brake on. Tries to start but won't. Each time it tries to start is when I try to give it a little bit of gas, but it won't fire or keep running. No idle. That's it.